Okay, now we can do the conditional formatting and table already. So let's go to the functions. So let's see the function. Okay, so I go to the our Excel file and then I create the new sheet. Okay, so in the beginning, I want to show just the function. Just the function that we have today. And then now. So this is very simple. Today is mean just the date format. So the value that you get from today will not include the time, right? But if you set now, it's gonna include the time as well. Okay. So this one is just the different. However, please note that what you see right now is just the format. I mean, if you do the Excel without, let's say, without the format, it's going to be American, right? Because Microsoft Excel is come from America. Okay, so from USA anyway. So it's going to be month, date, year. So you can click the right mouse to do format. And then the date, you can be any date you want. It can be something like this. I mean, a long date, something like this. Or you can do the format for the now, right now. It's going to be something like the now should be the time should be this one. Oh, okay, this one is only for the time. Let's say check if you want both the time and date should be like this. Okay, this one is this format is the format right this okay, here let's say if you try to use this format. Okay, so maybe I try to use this format with the today function. What we gonna see if I try to put this kind of format from here, you gonna see only midnight time. You see, you will not see the exact time like the now function Okay, so maybe I gonna just make it back here to just only the date can be any date you want Okay, maybe we can use the Japanese style. Okay, this one is good if you do the data analytic. Everyone need to do this one because it's both alphabet and both the number and then everyone understand or if you want only time that is very good. You can just do and then set only time something like this. This one looking very good so you can have both date and time. But however, please note that on I do moment is just only for format the file inside is come from function today and function now. Okay, that's that.